Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nuraisyah binti Kamarulzaman, and I am the in charge person of designing the circuit diagram for our robot, which is firefighting robot for detect and extinguish fire. Okay, as you can see in this diagram, we put two sensors into our robot, which is ultrasonic distance sensor and also infrared sensor. Why we choose them? Because ultrasonic sensor can measure distance and target of an object by emitting ultrasonic sound wave and convert into electric signal. Meanwhile, infrared sensor can measure the heat and detect the motion. Can you notice that we also put the microserver? So what is microserver? Microserver is a self-contained electrical device that rotates part of a machine with high efficiency and precision. We put also microserver because we want our robot can detect the object and can avoid any obstacle in front of our robot. Okay. As you can see, this is the DC motor, our water pump, and this is the hobby gear motor. Hobby gear motor represent our tire in the robot. Okay, why we choose water instead of fans to extinguish fire? Because water is such an effective extinguisher agent. It was low cost, effectiveness, and general availability. For me, we have discussed and we think the water is more effective because it can extinguish fire more faster than the fan itself. Okay, that's why we choose water to extinguish fire in our firefighting robot. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ummi Amirah binti Zakaria. I will explain about the coding of the firefighting robot that was made from my group. So, for this robot, for the coding, white space was used to visually organize code such as spaces, steps, and blank lines. White space was used since it can group code into sensible, readable chunks without affecting how the code is read by a machine. However, the second program utilities white space to arrange the code in order to distinguish the two key actions of the program. Line breaks have been used in this case to split out tasks vertically. A function is a group of statements which are executed as one unit when it is called from another location. So the first function is declare the function. The function declared by using the word void. Then the name that wanted to assign to this function to announce the function. It is useful to name the feature to represent its behavior. Next, we declare the parameter. In the parentheses that follow a function name, a parameter was declared the way a variable is. The parameter was used. The value of the parameter serves as a placeholder. When the function is called, it will display whatever value was given for the parameter. So next, the program also used the infinite while loop. The condition is true as long as 1 is equal to 1, which is always. When condition is true, the fire will be put out by pumping the water. That's all.
This is 3D design using Tinkercad. In the case of fire breakout, we are compelled to use human resources that are not safe to save people and put out the fire. With the development of technology, especially in robotics, it is very possible to replace humans with firefighting robots. This will increase the efficacy of firefighter and also keep them from placing human life at risk. We are going to build a 3D design firefighter using Tinkercad. This is the list: Arduino, breadboard, connecting wire, infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensor, infrared sensor, DC motor, hobby gear motor, H-bridge motor driver, and battery. As you can see here, this is the 3D design. This is a ultrasonic sensor, the blue color. The pink color is battery. This one is Arduino, and the small one is infrared sensor. The yellow one is DC motor. The blue one is motor driver, and the small one is container and